October is Domestic Abuse Awareness Month, and today the Crisis Prevention Center in Fort Smith made a big announcement to help in its fight against domestic abuse. 5 News reporter Tiffany Lee has more.
The Fort Smith Police Department and the Crisis Prevention Center are teaming up to make a difference together. The Crisis Center will now have on-site officers that can help victims get the immediate help that they might need. The Fort Smith Police Department has had a domestic violence specialized team for around 2 years, and in those 2 years they've worked hand in hand with the center. Now some of those officers will be bringing the skills that they learned through the center into the center. Penny Burns at the Crisis Prevention Center tells us that domestic violence calls are very high here in Sebastian County. So the fact that domestic violence response officers will now have remote officers here at the center, it's a new way to help fix a problem and give victims access to the resources that they need.
People need to know that we are leading the charge in the Fort Smith area for victim rights. So by having the officer here directly available for the victims to do that, I'm confident that reporting will increase and we will be able to get violent offenders out of our community.
The officers will be moving into their offices in the center soon, but there's no official date set yet. In Fort Smith, covering news where you live, Tiffany Lee, 5 News.
The center hopes to set an example and to get other police forces trained in dealing with domestic violence.